It's Mike Sanderson with Auto Service Experts. Today I'm going to talk to you about some of the core values drive our business to do what we do every day. One of the big core values is offering quality parts for every job that we do. We don't buy the cheap imitation parts. We start with a high quality part up front. That's how we can ensure that the part's going to make it long term. We do offer a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty on most of our repairs, and that is a nationwide warranty. We also offer the digital inspection, which helps with the transparency of what we're telling you needs to be done on your car, because if we send you a picture or a video showing you what is wrong with your car, you're going to understand a lot better than one of us picking up the phone, calling you and say, hey, we found this, and this. And you may not have ever experienced any problems with what we wind up sending you pictures of a part that is going bad or is potentially going to cause problems down the road. Your safety in your vehicle is our biggest concern, obviously, because we don't want to have any of our customers going down the road in a vehicle that is unsafe. That's why we stress so much about doing a quality, thorough inspection. Everybody in the shop does the inspection the same way every time, so there's no inconsistencies to it. We work very well as a team, so the guys, if they need help checking something or making it so we can get a good video, someone else will come over and give them a hand. If that means grabbing the whole wheel and shaking the wheel so we can see if something's loose in the front end, we go that extra mile as a team to make sure that you get all the information you need about your car. So if this sounds like something you'd like to experience, give us a call, set an appointment up with us, or go online and you can book an appointment through our appointment tab.